The decision to pursue fertility treatment is never easy. That's why you need a fertility center with a proven ability to succeed, a trusted partner that delivers results to thousands of patients every year. Our renowned fertility experts and compassionate staff are deeply committed to helping our patients become parents, and that commitment has led to IVF Florida being one of the most successful fertility centers in the nation. At IVF Florida, our nationally recognized team of healthcare professionals include physicians with extensive training, experience, and distinguished honors. Couples seeking the very best in treatment and personal care turn to IVF Florida for comprehensive infertility expertise and state-of-the-art assisted reproductive technologies.
When we say we give comprehensive personalized treatment, what we're talking about is we're trying to provide the best quality care and yet do it in a very compassionate environment.
We treat the people as couples. It's not one person's problem or the other person's problem, it's a couple's thing.
We like to be comprehensive in terms of looking at all of the factors that might impact on the cause of their infertility, and then coming up with a treatment plan that would be unique to the couple and will address all of the factors that we identify in the workup.
We at IVF Florida have chosen to treat people and not statistics.
IVF Florida provides the whole spectrum of diagnostic and treatment options for patients who are trying to achieve a pregnancy, from the most basic approach, which includes mainly coaching when the female is ovulating, to the most sophisticated and complex treatments.
We have probably over 60 different treatment options or combinations thereof.
We offer all types of treatments for male infertility.
Treatment for men has to do with anybody that has decreased sperm parameters, which could be the numbers, or the movements, or the morphology, all the way to patients that don't have any sperm in the ejaculation.
And we're seeing men here, generally speaking, because they want to either preserve their fertility or make a baby. When we turn to the treatment of women, we individualize the treatment based on what the tests show us, based on what the patient's goals are, based on what the patient's willing to do and not to do, what their emotional situation is, and then based on the finances of that individual person or couple.
Well, our concept of comprehensive personalized treatment means taking each couple as individuals.
In addition, we have a team of 90 people that range from financial people, people that do insurance verification, nurses, medical assistants, laboratory personnel, and everybody's great, and some of them have actually been here longer than I have.
I think we have a great team. I'm very proud of the group that we put together. I'm not sure that I can put my finger on one or two or three things that make it great.
We feel that teamwork's important. One doctor can run a very good fertility practice, but not every day, all year round.
It's not only the treatments that we provide them on a day-to-day, but also staying up to date with whatever is new in the field of infertility.
We can do all of the newest technologies, including prenatal diagnostic genetic screening, so that we can actually biopsy embryos and look at either chromosome number or for single genetic diseases, and be able to screen out or screen in healthy embryos, so that we have the ability, with the number of personnel, with the state-of-the-art equipment, to treat any problem that exists.
A patient coming here for the first time may feel a little overwhelmed by the size and complexity of the operation.
But on the other hand, they're going to feel a huge amount of support from the doctors and the entire staff, and they're going to feel that their care is 100% personalized.
When a new patient comes into the practice, after they get their paperwork done, they'll sit down and meet with the doctor's nurse. And the nurse does an initial history.
Once the patient understands that we want to know the whole spectrum of problems that are affecting male and female, they understand why we are giving them the recommendations of doing treatment A or B or C, or in which order approach the treatment.
To be a patient at IVF Florida gives you the confidence that you have a group of 7 physicians and 90 staff members behind you. They're going to get the right treatment from the right people.
IVF Florida is South Florida's premier fertility program, offering a complete range of clinical and in vitro procedures, assuring the most effective treatment for male and female infertility.